Hey Galaxy fans, welcome to the channel. Today we're checking out 7 mind-blowing Samsung Galaxy features that make your phone smarter, faster, and just plain cooler. So we'll look at shifting wallpapers, AI Smart Select, live translation, and so much more. I'll show you why each one actually makes your life easier. Before we start, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe, and drop a comment below telling me which feature is your favorite. So let's begin. So the first one is your shifting clock wallpaper with the frame. So this feature gives your lock screen a living and a breathing look. So the clock shifts dynamically as you tilt your phone or change your wallpaper. So the frame effect adds the depth and makes your display feel like a 3D and interactive lock screen. So let me show you how to do this. So here we'll go ahead and first long press on the home screen, tap on wallpaper and style. We'll go ahead and choose our lock screen here. Next, we'll go ahead and tap on wallpaper. And here we'll go ahead and choose something from our download folder. So let's just say, for example, this picture here. I'll select that. Now here, I've got a picture here. However, this does not give you any frame or the clock does not adapt to it. So to make this clock adapt to this picture, you can go ahead and tap on frame. And now, as you can see, you can go ahead and choose all these different frames. You've got heart, square, circle, a freeform. And as you do this, you'll notice that your Samsung Galaxy phone has basically recognized the subject, which is a dog, and it's basically giving you like a 3D look. So you can see that the dog is actually coming out, popping out of the heart or the square or the circle. Now next, what you can do is you can go ahead and choose this clock. Go ahead and tap on the clock and then tap on font and color. Make sure you choose the second option here where you have this dynamic clock. For the style, you want to go ahead and choose the second option as well. Now press done. Now you want to go ahead and choose the clock and then go ahead and move it around. So you can go ahead and make this larger and then go ahead and play around with the size. And as you can see, wherever I move it, it basically dynamically adapts to that subject in the wallpaper. I can go ahead and move this wallpaper up if I want as well. And this will adapt to it as well. Now, once that's done, press done. And now if you go ahead and view your wallpaper, you'll see this shifting clock wallpaper with a frame. So this makes your phone feel new every time you unlock it. It adds a depth and a personality to your lock screen, and it blends perfectly with the dynamic wallpapers for a premium aesthetic look. The second one is how you can open split screen with a swipe of your finger. So are you tired of manually going into a task manager and then tapping on internet and then going ahead and tapping on split screen? Now you can launch the split screen with one swipe gesture from the bottom or the side of your screen. So no more tapping through menus, just a smooth multitasking. So let me show you how to do this. So first you need to go ahead and turn on a feature. So you need to go ahead and open up settings. You're going to go ahead and scroll down and find advanced features. Next, you want to tap on multi-window. And here you want to go ahead and find this option called swipe for split screen. Now here you want to go ahead and also turn on full screen and split screen view. Now go ahead and tap on swipe for split screen, and this will show you how to turn on split screen for that specific app. So to change the split screen view, just swipe up 2 fingers from the bottom of the screen into portrait view or from the side of the screen in landscape view. Swipe again to switch apps. So let's go ahead and try this out. So let's go ahead and open up Amazon. We'll go ahead and swipe up. And now this is in split screen mode, so I can go ahead and choose the second app. Let's go ahead and choose gallery. So now I can go ahead and browse Amazon from the top here, and I can go ahead and browse through my pictures at the bottom here. So this makes multitasking effortless. You can watch, chat, and browse all at once. It saves time with instant app pairing. It feels fast, intuitive, and is perfect for productivity or entertainment. The third one is your Wi-Fi inspector, so you can check signal for your internet. So have you ever wondered if your Wi-Fi is actually working or just connected? The Wi-Fi inspector tool shows the real-time details like connection quality, router signal strength, and whether the network actually has internet access or not. So let me show you how to see this. So here you want to go ahead and bring down the quick panel menu, tap on settings, then tap on connections. Now next, tap on Wi-Fi. Next, you want to go ahead and tap on the 3 dots and then tap on intelligent Wi-Fi. Now in this menu, you want to go ahead and scroll all the way down until you see Connectivity Labs. For some of you, you might not see this menu. So to enable this, go ahead and tap on Intelligent Wi-Fi. Tap multiple times on this until you see this message, Labs has already been turned on. Now you'll see this new menu called Connectivity Labs. Tap on this. Now go ahead and scroll down and find the Home Wi-Fi Inspection. Tap on this. So this will basically check your home Wi-Fi. So go ahead and tap on start, choose your Wi-Fi. Now tap on next. And now you want to go ahead and press start, and you want to walk around with your phone in your hands, and you want to check for any weak signal area or strong signal area. So of course, wherever there is weak signal area, you want to avoid that place. If there is strong signal area, that is a place where you want to put your router or maybe your computer where it will get the best signal. So I'll press start. So as you can see, currently the signal is pretty good. Anything that goes below this red line, it's a weak signal area. So you can go ahead and take this phone around everywhere, and you can go ahead and check if the signal is good or not. So this will show you two bands, 2.4G and 5G. Anything that is below -70, it's bad signal area. So this way you instantly know if your Wi-Fi is the problem or the internet itself. It helps find the strongest spot for your signal in your room, and you save time from random disconnects and slowdowns. The fourth one is your AI Select Wallpaper. So this AI powered feature will let you choose any wallpaper online and let you set it on your Samsung Galaxy device. So for those of you who are asking me, where did you get this wallpaper, or can I have the link to this wallpaper? I'll show you a way of how to get new wallpapers each time you browse on TikTok. So here I'll go ahead and open up TikTok, and in TikTok I'll just go ahead and search for a superhero wallpaper. Now this is in the top section. However, I can go ahead and browse through all these videos which are available. So let's just say, for example, this one here, Batman. Now to use this as a wallpaper on my Samsung Galaxy device, you can see that it's a video. However, I can go ahead and change this into a photo and use it as my wallpaper. So to do this, I want to go ahead and long press first, tap on clear mode. Next, I want to go ahead and select the point where I want the wallpaper to stop. So let's just say, for example, this one here. Let's go ahead and change this so I can see his cape as well. Now next, I want to go ahead and bring down the edge panel from the right, then tap on AI Select. And now here I can go ahead and download this wallpaper to my gallery, or I can tap on the three dots and then tap on Set as Wallpaper. This will now ask me if I want to do it from a lock screen and home screen. So yes, I want to do it for both. Next, I'll go ahead and tap on Done. I'll press Skip. And now my wallpaper has been applied. So this way, this gets you custom wallpapers no one else has. It matches your home screen or outfit vibe easily. It saves time hunting for background online. The fifth one is where you can live translate on camera. So on your Samsung Galaxy device, you can basically point your camera at any text, a sign, menu, or document, and your Samsung Galaxy will instantly translate it live on your screen using Google. So no app switching required. It's just an overlay from Google, and it basically gives you the translation. So let me show you how to do this. So in order to do this, you want to first make sure you have Google installed. So go to your Play Store, search for Google, and make sure that's been installed to your phone. So this is the app you need, Google. Now once that's installed, to activate it, press Home, long press on it. You'll get this bar here. Now tap on this Translate button, and then you'll get this option to scroll and translate. So tap on this. Now you can go ahead and open up your camera view. Here I'll go ahead and show something in Portuguese. Now I'll go ahead and take a picture and then go ahead and view this in my gallery. And as you can see, it has translated everything into English. So it's translating from Portuguese to English. Let's go ahead and try another one. So I'll take this picture of a big one here. Let's go ahead and look at this. And as you can see, it has translated this all live in front of your eyes. So you have instant understanding while traveling or reading foreign content. It works offline in some languages. You have a seamless integration with camera and no interruption. The sixth one is where you can turn on the fingerprint animation for unlock. So Samsung has added a customizable fingerprint unlock animation. So you have a smooth glow, ripple, a pulse effect, and many more to make your unlocking more stylish. So for now, for myself, I have this ghost appearing and some stars appearing as my unlock animation. So in order to get this, let me show you how to do this. So first you need to go ahead and open up the Good Lock app. In the Good Lock app, you want to go ahead and find the Lock Star module. This will take you to your lock screen customization. Now here you'll be able to look at your fingerprint. So you'll see a square around your fingerprint area. Tap on this. And here you can go ahead and choose all these different fingerprint effects. So you have this ring animation, you have this ghost animation, you have this ripple effect, you have this firework effect, and then you have this pulse effect. So you can go ahead and choose anything you like. I like the ghost one here, so I'll tap on done at the top right. And now that animation has been set. And now when you go ahead and unlock your phone, you'll see that animation on your lock screen. So this makes your unlock feel premium and fluid. It adds a personal and visual touch to your daily unlock. It looks stunning on your MO LED screen on your Samsung Galaxy device. And lastly, the seventh one is where you can use Galaxy AI in messages. So Galaxy AI now helps you write messages faster and more naturally. So for example, if you're sending an invitation, just type a rough draft, tap rewrite with Galaxy AI, and it'll basically rephrase it politely, creatively, or even more casually. It's depending on your tone. So for example, if you're that person who is not good in English and just wants to create an invitation to invite some friends over for dinner. So for example, let's go ahead and open a message here, and I want to go ahead and create an invitation to invite someone for dinner. So I'll go ahead and just type down something very rough. Invite someone for dinner at 7 p.m. So as you can see, this is an invitation which I've wrote, invite someone for dinner at 7 p.m. Now, of course, this is not really professional. This is really informal, and you want to turn this into a more formal language. So to do this, you can go ahead and use Galaxy AI. So you can go ahead and tap on this Galaxy button here. This will now give you some options. You can do chat translation, spelling and grammar, writing style, or a composer. Let's go ahead and choose composer. And here you can go ahead and just enter in what you want to create. So first, I want to go ahead and create an invitation. So I'll just put down by voice, create me an invitation to invite someone for dinner at 7 p.m. tomorrow. Now next I can go ahead and choose standard, email, social media, comment. So I want to just do this for a message. I'll choose standard. Next I want to go ahead and choose professional, casual, or polite. So I want to go ahead and make this polite. Now I'll tap on generate. So this will now compose for me. So this is the message which has been created. I would be delighted if you could join me for dinner tomorrow evening. So this meal is planned to begin promptly at 7 p.m. So please arrive on time. Your presence would make the evening even more special, and I'm excited to share a meal together. I eagerly anticipate your company and a pleasant time filled with a good conversation. So now if you're happy with this, you can go ahead and copy this or insert it straight into your message. So this saves time crafting messages. It sounds more natural and engaging, and this is perfect for work emails, invites, or text messages. And that's a wrap on today's Galaxy Showcase. So from AI wallpapers to live translation and next-gen multitasking. So Samsung is just seriously pushing the boundaries of what a smartphone can do. So if you learned something new today, please make sure to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe for more tech tips, drop a comment telling me which feature you'll try first. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.